What is that? Oh. What you got?
I got it.
Oh, banana?
Tita,
Tita?
tita,
Did you get a haircut today?
no,
Yes.
no,
Did you get a haircut? Look, there's some banana right there.
tita.
Turtle. There's a turtle in your bowl. And Sadie waiting for a piece to drop. Sadie, go on. No, don't give Sadie any. It's Bradley's banana. So Sadie, go on. No. You need some help with that? You're kind of tearing it apart. What about those pieces I already cut up for you?
Trash.
All done. That's the trash. You're right. This is trash. I'll put it in the trash. Thank you. Look at those pretty flowers from Daddy.
A baby.
What? A balloon? Oh.
What?
Flowers? Who's that?
Like that?
Dada? Who's that?
Mommy.
Yeah. Daddy and Mommy. What are you eating?
I'm done.
Oh.
My.
Careful.
Mommy.
Mommy and Daddy. Give Daddy a kiss? Oh, that's nice. How about Mommy? Give Mommy a kiss.